By the end of this video, you will know how to test a Stripe subscription downgrade. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, check that you are working in sandbox or test mode before making any changes. That is important here because you want to simulate the downgrade without affecting a live customer or a real subscription. If your dashboard is currently set to live data, switch over before continuing. Next, make sure you have a lower priced product and a recurring price available to use for the downgrade. If you do not already have one set up, create it now. The key detail is that this lower priced option needs to be a recurring price since you are replacing one subscription plan with another. Once that lower tier product and its price are ready, you can move on to the customer side of the test. If you have not already created a test customer, add one in your Stripe account. Use your test environment so the customer remains part of the same workflow. After that, create a subscription for this customer using the higher priced plan. This gives you an active subscription to Downgrade, which is what you need for the test. When the subscription has been created, open the customer record and go into that customer subscription details. You are looking for the current active subscription that is still set to the higher price product or pricing plan. Open it so you can make changes directly on the subscription itself. From there, click Update Subscription or Edit Subscription, depending on the version of the Stripe interface you are seeing. Both options take you to the same kind of subscription update screen. In that editor, find the existing subscribed item and change it from the higher priced product or recurring price to the lower priced one you created earlier. Make sure you select the correct lower tier option before moving forward, especially if there are multiple prices attached to similar products. Before saving the change, review the proration settings if they appear. Stripe may calculate a billing adjustment based on the timing of the downgrade within the current billing cycle. On this screen, you can check how that adjustment will be handled, including whether there is a credit or any immediate invoice impact tied to the update. Once everything looks correct, click Update Subscription to save the change. Give Stripe a moment to process the update if needed, then return to the subscription details and verify the result. The subscription should now show the lower priced product or plan as the active one. Also review any prorated invoice, credit, or billing adjustment that Stripe generated as part of the downgrade so you can confirm the test reflects the expected billing behavior. Your Stripe test subscription now shows the lower priced plan with any proration or billing adjustments applied.